You can order the Serpentine belt kit used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Toyota Camry Car Battery. Loosen the lug nuts of the wheel on the passenger side. In order to change the Serpentine belt on your vehicle, you need to take off the wheel on the passenger side to gain full access. Lift the front of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Toyota Camry safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to put the wheel under the vehicle. Now you need to move the plastic cover aside. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two bolts holding the plastic cover. Then move it aside to access the belt more easily and reposition it correctly when reassembling. Using a 13mm offset wrench, loosen the belt by turning the Serpentine belt tensioner counterclockwise. Meanwhile, remove the belt from the tensioner, then from the various pulleys. Before proceeding with the replacement of the Serpentine belt, we recommend taking a picture or two to draw the path of the belt around the different pulleys in order to position it correctly later. You can now remove the belt. When changing the belt, you should also replace the tensioner pulley. Using a 12mm offset wrench, unscrew the bolt holding the Serpentine belt tensioner. Finish unscrewing by hand. Then, remove the tensioner. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. You can order the Serpentine belt kit used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the belt tensioner. Next, pre-install the bolt. Pay attention to the pin located on the tensioner, which allows it to be correctly positioned on the engine. Put it back in its place. Then screw the bolt back in roughly by hand. Then use the wrench to screw it back in until it makes contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Take the new Serpentine belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new belt around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, lift the Serpentine belt tensioner in order to wind the Serpentine belt onto all of the pulleys. Then release the belt tensioner to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Replace the plastic cover. Next, screw the two retaining bolts back in. Then you will be able to put the wheel back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheel properly. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.